Welcome to Melda 242. If you're here for the first time, I am Melda. You are welcome and God bless you. Today I'm preparing corn and rice. If you want to see how I achieve this, then let's do it. Okay, these are the ingredients that you would need. Of course, everything would be listed for you in the description box below. Continue watching. Right now, it's a good time for me to say hello to my people, to my members, and most of all, to my brand new spanking members. I got 3 of them. No talking, just eat. Pandies, hair candy, and more, and boss lady Denise. You are so welcome. God bless you. I appreciate you joining our membership. Back to our subscribers, to those of you who are always coming back, you are and forever will be my MVP. To my brand new subscribers, you are welcome and God bless you. To those of you who are just watching, and I know you are enjoying these videos, please consider subscribing. As a matter of fact, consider joining our membership. Our prices start from $4.99 all the way up to $49.99. You make your selection and join us today. God bless you and thank you in advance. Thank you for watching this video all the way to the end. If you have enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, share it out, leave a comment. Please subscribe if you haven't already done so. And if you've just subscribed, welcome to the family. God bless you. And I will see you in the next one.